Familiar mo nga verse? Makita ni sa Proverbs chapter 3 verse 5. Ingon pa diri ana, trust in the Lord with all your heart, do not depend on your own understanding. By the way, good morning, it's Hesi. Kini nga verse is written by the one of the wisest person in the world, and that is King Solomon. And bisan pa sa iyang pagka-wise, guys, he write these words na ingon pa niya diri ana, do not depend on your own understanding. Instead, he encouraged everyone na trust in the Lord with all your heart. This means na may mga butang sa tuwa na wala na takabalo, may mga panghitabo na wala ta kasabot, wala ta kabalo sa ibuhaton, o blanco jud ta. But that means na di na naman ang kinahanglan bapton pa, hibalaan pa. All you need to do is to trust God. Because you know what? Mo trust ka kay Lord according to His promise. Mo ni pinaka the best. Sa next verse ani sa verse 6, ingon ni Didrea na seek His will in all you do, and He will show you which path to take. Di ba? Nice kayo. God bless us all.